Okay, let's talk about diphthongs. Diphthongs are di means two, and diphthongs are at work. Okay.
ah, 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 yeah, 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 oh, 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 yo, 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 oh, 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 yo, 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 ooh, 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 you, 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 eh, 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 yeah, 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 eh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah.
So diphthongs with y sound, y, this y symbol, that's a y sound we have in words like young, university, like that. And that's a semi-vowel. So diphthong is a vowel which has two vowel sound qualities in one syllable. Two semi-vowels, y and w, are used for Korean diphthong vowels. They always precede the simple vowel, so it's called unglide because you start with a semi-vowel y or u, and then you glide onto a vowel. If you actually come out with the semi-vowels, it would be called off glide. Diphthongs with Y is made by adding an extra stroke to each of the six simple vowels. So we learned ah, 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 simple vowel, right? And you add one more stroke on the same side. It's ya, 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 ya. And over here, a vertical line and a short stroke on the left side is uh, uh, uh. Your mouth is agape and you're kind of a neutral position. Uh, uh, similar to the. And then you add a Y before you actually glide onto that sound is ya, ya, ya. You, you, you can hear it, right? You plus ya, 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 ya. It would be similar to the kind of sound you would make in words like yearning, yeah, right? And o, o is a vertical line with a stroke above. O, o, o. Once again, this Korean vowel doesn't have the English sound quality of o. You don't finish with a u. It's just one sound, o, o, o. But you glide on from y and you end up with yo, yo, yo. Easy. Yo yo. Yo yo. Yo yo. Yep. Yo yo ma. Or yo yo that you play. Alright. Horizontal line and a short stroke underneath is oo, oo, oo. Once again, just like o, your lips are rounded. Oo, oo, oo. And you push the air out. Oo, oo, oo. And then you glide on with you, then you as in university. You, 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 you.
O and ah together, wa, wa, wa. O and e together, we, we, we. O and e together, we, we, we. Although they're spelled differently, the way right above it and this way, they're pronounced exactly the same. U and A together, these are both dark vowels. Wa, wa, wa. U and E together, we, we, we. Once again, this sound is very similar to the second one and the third one. U and E together, we, we. Very similar to the French yes, we, we. U and E together, 의, 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 which is kind of hard to pronounce. A lot of Koreans in fast speech just say it like but the proper pronunciation is 의 in slow speech.
Combinations of O and O and we, U and wa, and U and e are not permitted due to vowel harmony principle in Korean. I don't even know if you need to be introduced to this. This is really complicated. But remember we talked about bright vowels and dark vowels? See, O is bright, is dark. They don't go together. O, E, O is bright, E is dark. They don't go together. U is dark, I is bright. They don't go together. U is dark, E is bright. They don't go together. It's kind of like in the harmony in music. You put major notes together with other major notes, and you put minor notes with other minor notes to sadder kind of sounds, right? It's kind of like that, but I wouldn't worry about it too much. The letters we, we. If you heard all three identical sounds, you're right. They're spelled differently, but they're pronounced identically. So the distinction is only in writing. The diphthong that's the last one, e, is quite unstable and is often pronounced as or ui. And sometimes e in some dialects and also in different positions in the word. All right. It's fun, isn't it? Right. Okay, now diphthongs with W sound. There are 6 diphthongs beginning with the sound W, U, U. The Korean vowel letters O and U are used to represent the semi-vowel sound U. So this combination only happens with these 3 vowels, O, U, U. So you add O with A, then you come up with Wa, Wa, Wa. Wa, wa, wa. Try that. Wa, wa. And then o, e, we, 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 we. We, we. So one vertical line, one horizontal line with a stroke above the horizontal line is we, we, we. Although they're spelled differently, this one we, the second one, and the third one we sound almost identical to a Korean ear. So if you can hear this difference, because I'm not really pronouncing them differently either. Mhm. And e was one of the simple vowels. E, 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 e. I guess similar to the vowel in Ashley, maybe Ashley. Yeah. Action, Ashley, similar. And then you glide on from y, then you end up with yeah, 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 yeah. And this Although it's spelled differently, it's pronounced almost identically. E, e. Think about et, action. In English, it's different, right? But in Korean, we don't make that distinction. E, e. And then you glide on with you, then it's ye, ye, ye. Ye, 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 you'll hear a lot because that means yes in Korean.